Good morning, Stephanie Maye here with your Maven Minute. Interest rates, people are talking about going up. How do you handle this? Well, if you're in the buying mode right now and you see the perfect asset and you need it in your portfolio, you could always not leverage. You could just raise equity, bring in more partners. You can shoulder the load together. You can spread your risk a little bit and not put all of your capital into one investment. But it's sort of forgotten. A lot of people have been relying on highly leveraged properties for a long time now. And I'm pulling out my 1989 books, or 1990, 91 books from the cowboys who put deals together back in those days. So we're excited about opportunities. Don't forget, instead of, if you really do want to leverage, there's always your other mechanisms. You can raise your rents, you can add value by repurposing, repositioning, changing it to higher and better use. And you could even sever off excess land and shore up your equity position that way. So that way you're not so highly leveraged. There's always a way around to structure a deal. And we are so excited about the new tools that we'll be able to implement with your deals as you go forward.